Good morning, students. Myself is Kanti sir. I am teaching mathematics in standard 10 English medium. We already started topic volume of combined solid sets from exercise 13.2. We already solved first two sums and you practice also of given sum in homework. You know, in a combined set, you just find volume of individual sums and then add both of or add all three of them to get final answer. But we usually not find individual volume or area of any set and then to make total of it. Instead that we just find final means total volume or total surface area together only within one step. Okay, and that is advisable only to save our time and to make it simple only. Now you just look at question number 3. Question number 3. There is a case of gulab jamun. So many gulab jamuns are there. 45. Size are given. Shape is not spherical. We generally see gulab jamuns of spherical shape, but here just like capsule shape, medicine capsule shape, it is given in cylinder and both ends are hemispherical. Measurements are given, you just read it. But what they are asking? They are not asking volume, whole volume, but they are asking particular material from that. So many there are flour, other ingredients, sugar syrup and many ingredients may be there. So first of all we have to find total volume of all 45 gulab jamuns, and after they are telling 30% of total volume is sugar syrup. So that is the point of last step. First initially they have to find volume of so many means 45 gulab jamuns together. Okay, so in that case this sum is just like second sum that Rachel and engineering student make a model. So shape is just like that. Okay, so here I draw figure of gulab jamun. Both ends are hemispherical. Okay, total length or total height, whatever you say, it is 5 centimeters. Okay, and diameter is 2.8 centimeters. 2.8 centimeters. Obviously, so radius will be 1.4 centimeters, and this is also 1.4 centimeters. Okay, very simple. Half of diameter. So you can find that part also, height or length of cylinder also. Obviously it will be 5 minus 1.4 two times, means 5 minus 2.8. So obviously it will be 2.2. We just going to calculate that height also in written form, and that we have to show where from 2.2 came. Okay, so that is the case. And so there are so many gulab jamun, not one. So at a time we find either of one gulab jamun volume, then to multiply by 45. Otherwise from initial step only just multiply by 45. Okay. So first of all write length or height of cylinder. Height of cylinder equal to 5 minus 1.4 two times, means 5 minus 2.8 means 2.2 centimeters. Okay. Radius is half of 2.8 means 1.4 centimeter. Okay, so we have all required measurements here. Now find out volume of 45 gulab jamun. I already told you, you can find out one also, but 45 into what? Area of, sorry, volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of hemisphere. 2 times volume of hemisphere. You understand, 2 times volume of hemisphere means volume of sphere. 2 hemisphere means 1 sphere. Okay. So is equal to 45 in bracket pi r square h, volume of cylinder. Now this is nothing but a 1 sphere, so write down 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now take pi r square common. So I just taking pi r square common. Where from 45 came, you know? There are so many steps are there, that's why. So here let h and here 4 by 3 r. Now place all values. 45, pi's value is not given, so 22 by 7 r. R is 1.4. So can I write 14 by 10? Okay. Now height 22 by 10. 22 by 10. I just keep here fraction only. 7, 10. Now 4 by 3 into 14 by 10 by radius. Now try to simplify it. So first of all 7 to the 14. Okay. Outside we just cut here. Then we try here also. Now this is cancelled by 2 again. So 11 left here and here 2 5 in 5 into 9 45. So whatever left I just write down 9 left here, 11 left, 2 left, 14 left and here only 10 left. Again look there 7 to the 14. By 2 I cancel out 11 and 5. 5 9 is 45. So 9, 11, 2, 14 left, denominator only 10 left. Now here you can simplify somewhat here. I don't want to cut here because here 30 is there. So I try just keep as it is. Okay. And okay, no problem, just cut it here. 2 and 5. Now nothing is there. And here is 11 into 5. 11 into 5. So 11 upon 5. So by 2 only I cancel out. And here is 28 upon 50. Okay. First fraction simplifies, second fraction also simplifies in simplest form. Now 9 into 11 into 2 into 14 upon 10. Take LCM here 15. I not cross multiply because cross multiply becomes longer. So I just taking LCM. So here 5. Actually it is 15. So 11 3 by 5 3 15. So 11 3 you know process of LCM. Here already LCM is there in denominator. Now 9 into 11 into 2 into 14 upon 10. I not multiply, just keep as it is only. Now it is 15 and this one be 8 plus 3 11, 1 4 plus 2 6 61. Now try if anything is being cut, but not so much, only by 2 they can be, but otherwise nothing. If you want to simplify here, you can simplify it here, otherwise no need to simplify it because that is not our final step. We have to go ahead. Why? Because that is the volume of 45 gulab jamun also. Actually they required sugar syrup, that is 30% of that. Again I just explain it. I don't figure all measurements are written and one measurement is not written, not given. So we found first of all that. Okay, so that is ready. Now volume of cylinder 2 into volume of hemisphere. So one sphere is from formula is written, taken common. All values are placed. Okay. Now I simplify try to simplify in fraction only. So we came at this step. Now if you don't want to simplify this step, then whole expression you just carry forward. Okay. Now our final purpose is to find sugar syrup. Okay. They are asking us sugar syrup only. Okay. Is step like that what to find? Find approximately how much syrup would be found. How much syrup? So sugar syrup equal to, या तो volume of sugar syrup equal to, या तो quantity of sugar syrup equal to, anyway 30% of volume. Whatever volume we found, 30% of that. So it is 30 upon 100. I not simplify here because I just want to bring that whole expression here only so that it may be beneficial also. Okay. Now 9 into 11 into 2 into 14 into 61 upon 10 into 50. Now try as much as possible to simplify it. Okay. So here is 110 cancel out, then nothing is there. Now we can write here 3 and 15 are there, otherwise with this only. So it is 3 5s are 50. Okay. Now I don't understand, if you want to cancel this one, then yes you can, 2 into 50. Okay, because 5 is there, so actually it is not 100,000 or 10,000 like this. So we try to cancel as much as possible. Again 25 7. How I cancel? Don't look there. You just try yourself. Okay. In top floor, just do it. So whatever left, 9, 11, 7, 61. Okay. 9, 11, 7, 61. 25 5s are 75. Okay. Whatever left, I just written here. Now just multiply. Nowhere, no cutting now possible. Yes, one again possible here. Sorry, 125. 25 5s are 125. So now 9 into 11, 99. 99 into 7. That calculation is quite complicated. You just try it. Okay. 99 into 7. 9 7s are 63. 6. 9 7s are 63. 69. So we got 693 so far. Okay. Now into 61. So 6 3s are 18. 1. 9 6 are 54. 55. 5. 6 6 are 36 plus 5. 41. Then 693 only. Okay. 6 3s are 18. 6 9s are 54. 55. 5. 6 6 are 36 plus 5. 36 plus 5. 41. 3. 7. 6 plus 6 12. 42. So it will be 42273 upon 125. Now no way but to divide it. If you don't want to divide it, then just multiply. Okay. If I try, I just multiply by 8. If you don't understand, then just divide it. 120 by 125 only. That is not so difficult. Okay. But instead of that, I just want to keep here or bring here 1000, so that no need to divide it. So I just multiply given number by 42273. Okay. 42273 with 8. So 8 3s are 24. 2. 8 7s are 56. 58. 5. 8 2s are 16 plus 5 21. 2 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. 1 8 4s are 30. 2 33 again. 8 3s are 24, 8 7s are 56, 58, 5 8 2s are 16, 21, 2 8 2s are 16, 18, 1 33. Okay. So it is 338,184. Okay. So obviously now you can write 338.184 centimeter cube. Why it is actually written that. Now they are asking us find approximately. So approximately means you understand, you can round off it. In earlier sum also yesterday we just rounded off into integer only. So can I write 338 only centimeter cube? Rounded off or approximate means we just interpret the statement that answer is expected in integer only. Okay. So I just write 338, not 339, because it is not so much after that point. If it is more than 500, then we can understand it might be written 339, but I here rounded off that as a 338 only. Okay. So here only many students feel it difficult that these terms we are not getting answer. But actually calculation is quite long. Method is not different. So 45 gulab jamuns are there, so I just multiply by 40. Okay. But then 30% sugar syrup is asked, so I just counted 30% of that. I not simplify it priorly. I just use that expression here also. Okay. So similarly, you just try. If you are good at calculation, then I don't think anything is difficult here. Okay. And shape is repeating only, just like question number 2. Shape is repeating of question number 3 also, in question number 3 also. Okay. So try to understand only. Here from calculation is quite odd. Cutting is not so much possible here. Okay, that's right. So I hope you will try understand, and you just try once to get answer yourself only from starting to ending. Okay. Yes. Now look at number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions. Depression means pit. Okay. To hold pens, the dimension of the cuboid are 15, 10 and 3.5, means length, breadth and height given. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter and depth is 1.4. Depth means height. Depth or height both are equal here. And radius is also given. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. So here you understand, figure also given there. So I think no need to draw here figure of pen stand. Okay, but you understand how to find volume of wood from cuboid. Cuboid's volume is length into breadth is wide. Very simple, no complication. Out of volume of cuboid, you just remove 4 conical parts. 4 conical parts. So that remaining part is nothing but a wood. Okay, so what is the amount or what is the volume or quantity of wood in pen stand right now? Right now, that is us. Okay, so just subtract 4 cones. Subtract 4 cones from cuboid. Obviously, you just look at figure only. Figure is given there. Okay, so we first of all find volume of cuboid and then volume of 4 cones, and then just subtract it. Okay, so I first write all measurement. No need to draw figure it because it takes time. So first of all, length, breadth and height cuboid. Okay, length. So here length is equal to 15. Breadth 10. Height 3.5. Okay. Now cone, under the heading of cone. So it is given again radius. Radius r equal to 0.5 centimeter and height. But height coming twice, second time, so I just keep capital H. Otherwise H1, H2, H prime anyway, just use here different symbol. Okay. So it is 1.4. Depth or height both are same for us. Okay. So all measurements are written here Now in not a single step, because in cuboid and in cone formula will be totally different, nothing is common there. So we just keep them separate only. So first of all, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to LBS equal to 15 into 10 into 3.5. Okay. So obviously 3.5 into 10, 35 into 15, 350, 175. 5, 12, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5 to 5 centimeter cube. Okay. So this is the volume of cuboid. Now volume of 4 cone. 4 cone or conical depression. Okay. So it will be 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square s. Now place our value 4 into 1 by 3, 22 by 7. Here I have to write capital S, not small s. Okay. Now R. R is 0.5. Otherwise you can write 1 by 2 also. 1 by 2 centimeter. Very simple. Okay. 1 by 2. And here 14 by 10. Otherwise 7 by 5. Okay, in simplest fraction. So it is 7 by 5. Why it is? Just I remove point and then just convert in simplest one. Now 7 cancel out. Okay. 2 to the 4 cone. Whatever left. 22 upon 15 left only. Again. 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square means all 4 depressions we have to subtract from cuboid. So I just count it. All values are placed. R is 1 by 2 only, and this is 1.4 centimeter. Okay, and that is only radius. Sorry, height. Yes, radius is 1 by 2, right? And height is 1.4. 1.4 means 7 by 5. You can see here, and that is written here. 2 to the 4 cancel, 7 cancel, so here left 22 only, here 15. So just convert it into decimal. Okay. Now no way. So 22, 15, 15 1 is 15. 7. Now 15 4 is 60. 40 left. 10 left, sorry. 100. 15 6 is 90. Okay, 10 left, again 6, so it will be like just like 666. So I can write 1.47 centimeter cube. Otherwise you can write 1.46 also. I just rounded up because next number will be 6, so I just round it. Okay. Now after subtracting, you just find value of remaining, means pen stand, wooden pen stand. So now our final answer, volume of pen stand. So we will subtract it. 5 to 5 minus 1.47 centimeter cube, but we will apply it later on. Okay, now 5 to 5.001.47. 10, 9, 4. So 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 4, 5, 3, 5 to 3.53. So is equal to 5 to 3.53 centimeter cube. Okay. So I think very simple, just understand question. Out of cuboid part, 4 conical depression are removed. So whatever part removed, that is called pen stand. So we first find volume of cuboid, then volume of 4 cone, then out of cuboid this 4 depressions volume is removed. Whatever left, that is the required answer. Okay. And just see at figure also given in textbook. Now homework. Look at number 6. Question 6. A solid iron ball consists of A cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 and radius 8. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. That is the point of last step. Now, first of all, how to find volume? See, that is very simple. One pole above another one. One pole above another, but they are not of equal size. Radius is not equal here. Okay, and both are cylindrical only. So if you all measurements are given here, 220, diameter is 14, here is 60, and its diameter is 8. So I think you have R and S both, here R and S both. So just 2 times that, but the symbol should be different. Suppose that is capital H, so capital R, then small r, then small h. You understand? So formula will be pi r square h plus pi r square h, but r and h are different. Don't take it common. Only pi can be taken common. Only pi can be taken common. Okay? Not r and h. So first of all, allow different symbol also there, capital or capital small or 1 2 like this anyway. Okay, so keep in mind this thing. After getting this, what is the requirement? They given us 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So whatever volume you will find, just multiply by 8. So your answer will be in grams. If so many grams are there, just convert it into kilogram by dividing 1000. Dividing by 1000. Okay, so very simple. Find volume. Formula will be like this: pi r square h plus pi r square h, but different. Pi will be common, nothing else. Okay, so you will have V. You have to write here clearly, not only V. Now after that, mass you can find. Whatever V you will find, multiply by 8. So it will be gram. Why? They have given us. That is not our matter. They have given per centimeter cube 8 gram. Means its density is given. Okay. So number 6 is in homework. Now look at number 8. Number 8. Here also spherical vessel. Here is spherical one. Spherical vessel, but having a neck. Cylindrical neck also. From same exercise, we finding second one. Okay. Now radius I think of given, this one also given, and height also given. Okay. So here 8 centimeter long neck. Neck means that cylindrical part. Cylindrical neck. 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter diameter. So this is diameter, not radius. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5. Again, diameter is 8.5. So it will be 4.25. 4.25. Okay. Now find volume. How to find volume? You know. Suppose that is capital R. It will be small r. So 4 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. R will be 1. Small means that is here. Okay, h and r will be 1. Okay. So after finding that, you just verify their answer. They have given us a particular child get answer 3, 4, 5. So whether that answer is right or wrong, and pi's value also given 3.14. So you have to use that value only, not 22 by 7. You understand? So after getting your answer, you just compare your answer with given one. Some child got answer 3, 4, 5. If you are getting 3, 4, 5, then that child is correct. His answer is right. If it is different than you, then obviously you are right, but the child is wrong. Okay, so that you only guess whether she is correct, that child is correct or not, she is correct or she is not correct. That you can say after finding answer only. Okay, if difference is there, then she is incorrect. If exactly 345 you got, then you can say C is correct. Okay, so again, very simple. Combination is there, but not of these types of combination we so far studied. That is quite different. Okay, so I just given formula also. What to do here in second step, find mass by multiplying with it. Here nothing to do, just compare your answer with given answer. Okay, so these two sum you have to solve in homework. One again 7 sum, I just we keep it and we will solve it in next one. Thank you.